The sun was shining through the windows of my breakfast nook this morning, begging me to sit down with an iced coffee and a paintbrush. But surprisingly, I was at a loss when it came to ideas. So I misted my paper with a spray bottle and set out to make something colorful and bright. I loaded my brush with plenty of paint and began with some simple horizontal stripes. As you can see, I'm letting the colors touch each other and flow freely. I'm also leaving some small strips of my paper white. Now I'm using a card and I'm dipping the corners directly into my paint and applying thin marks of highly saturated color. I'm working quickly so I don't have much time to plan ahead or overthink my movements. I came back in afterwards with a spray bottle and added a little more mist just to see what would happen. Now let's wait for it to dry and see what we can find. So I can see what looks like the top of an oak tree, maybe the start of a barbed wire fence, and some tree roots. What do you see hidden in this painting? Now I'm using a fine-tipped brush and I'm going to add some details and help our image come to life. I think sometimes it's nice to go into a project with no agenda whatsoever and let the paint take you along for the ride. Plus, it's good for us to get out of our comfort zones and try new styles and methods. I personally don't normally gravitate towards such bright colors, and I rarely use my spray bottle, so this was a little different for me, and I was surprised by how much I enjoyed it. I think the next time I try something like this, I'm going to embrace the abstract even more and use less structure in the final steps. So if you have the desire to loosen your paintings, I would encourage you to give this a go. See what you can accomplish with limited structure and few added brush strokes. So there we have it, the final result. I can't wait to try this again and see where the paint takes me. Thanks so much for watching.